The BREVILLE BES810BSS Duo Temp is ideal for those whose caffeine addiction is just beginning to flourish, offering simple use without sacrificing on the quality of your brew. From a design perspective, this particular model boasts a silver stainless steel construction which looks elegant yet striking at the same time, while its build quality ensures long durability for many years to come. To begin with, making a coffee is as simple as turning the dual action dial to the right to extract espresso and to the left to steam your milk. In addition, equipped with a pre-infusion function, the machine will slowly saturate your packed coffee grounds with short jets of water to produce the perfect crema. A 1600-watt element allows you to create a fine microfoam for latte art masterpieces, and don't worry if you get carried away pumping out coffees, the machine is programmed to provide maintenance alerts. What I like most about this espresso machine is its pre-infusion feature. Forget the idea that water can only dilute. This coffee machine is programmed to release small spurts of water prior to the pouring of each shot. Although subtle, this process of pre-infusion primes your ground coffee for optimum espresso extraction, resulting in a richer cup of coffee that's crowned with a full, flavoursome crema. Furthermore, designed with simplicity for first-time espresso machine owners, the no-nonsense dial control has only 2 settings. Thankfully, that's all you need for a delicious brew, while if you turn the dial to the right, you'll end up with a smooth espresso which will satisfy the taste of any caffeine addict, and to the left, activate the steam wand. Also, the microfoam texturing is great. To be more specific, microfoam is steamed milk that is velvety smooth in texture, ideal for creating latte art. What you want is foam with small, even bubbles. This machine's 1600-watt element gives you adequate steam to create rosettes, hearts, and more. Microfoam will also enhance the overall flavour of your cup. To conclude, if you're looking for a mid-range priced espresso machine that looks and performs premium, this could be your ideal choice.